AI animation used to feel hard, but Seedance 2.0 now handles the hard part: multi-shot scenes, smart cuts, and consistent characters. In this video, Mila will show you a simple Seedance 2.0 workflow for creating AI animation, step by step.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Mila, and today we're diving into a super exciting tutorial. You don't want to miss this one, so let's get into it. All right, so this is the LumeFlow.AI homepage. As you can see, it's packed with different AI tools, various models to choose from, and a whole bunch of cool effects to play with. Here's your dashboard. You can jump straight into the pre-made effects or access different tools from either the main page or the sidebar. It's all designed to keep things quick and easy for you. Check out the Inspiration tab. Everything is organized so you can easily find ideas. The best part? You can take any of these videos and personalize them however you like. All right, so today is all about exploring Seedance 2.0. I'll be testing it out and breaking down some key tips you need to know to get the best results. Let's dive right in. We're going to cover both image to video and text to video in this video. To kick things off, let's dive into image to video first. All right, let's pick the model. You could go with the fast mode, but I'm gonna stick with the normal one for now. Since I don't have a starting frame, I'll be using Omni Reference instead. Now, I'm uploading the characters and pasting my pre-made prompt. But here's the trick. I'm using @referencing in the prompt, so the AI gets exactly which character belongs to which part of the scene. Definitely don't skip this step. It's key to avoiding mistakes and saving your credits. Time to pick the frame size and duration. Pro tip, use Seedance 2 to its full potential by going for the 15-second continuous video. It's super smooth. Just remember to structure your prompt for that 15-second mark, and you'll get some killer results. Truth is, there's a bit of a learning curve to prompting this model. Luckily, we've got you covered. You can use that skill from my previous video on Claude.ai. Just describe your story, and it'll generate a Seedance-ready prompt for you in no time. Another option is to check out the file where I've listed all my prompts. You can follow their structure and write your own personalized versions. See? There are tons of workarounds, so you've got nothing to worry about. You can experiment with various prompting styles in Seedance, but I found this particular structure to be the most effective. It's super detailed and gives you the most control over the final look. Ready to see some magic? Let's dive into a couple of examples and break down the prompts behind them. Take a look at the text overlays below. I've highlighted the parts of the prompt that control the lighting and camera motion. It's impressive how closely the AI matches the character's movement to what's written in the script. All right, now it's time for text to video. We'll pick the model, and just so you know, you can use the premium mode here for faster results and even add an audio reference. Once the prompt is in and the settings are dialed, let's hit generate. Let's check out some examples.
What happened?
As shown, this model is like a digital director, letting you control the lights, camera, and characters entirely through your prompting. I suggest you check this model out and enjoy the experience. You can easily do it all through this platform, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching. I really hope this was helpful. Until we meet again, bye for now. And I guess someone else wanted to say goodbye too.